Well, alright guys, so here we go. This is going to be an epic thing that I'm doing, and as I promised, I was going to have everything running at the same time. I've got two VR cameras running simultaneously. I wanted to do a my very first live stream, but apparently you can't. It takes one day or whatever to activate live streaming. So what I'll do instead is have a separate video running from the other side, and I don't know, maybe we'll just have an upward video like this going down. I don't know. It never turns out to be the way you expect it to be. Anyway, this is going to be a really fun unparceling, and I'm using a gazillion devices and trying to get them all to run simultaneously to get this to work. So we'll see how this all turns out. Here we go. I don't do a lot of these unparcelings, as you guys know, or unletterings. But this is a special one. And as you can see here, we're greeted with fantastic writing because we're lucky here. Let's see. Oh boy. They're like, oh my goodness. I really don't want to ruin the letter. And I don't have a letter opener, so we're doing the best we can here, guys. The anticipation is killing me. Can I do this? Don't wreck the envelope, however people say it. Oh, not bad. Come on. I am not a professional letter opener, clearly. Do not wreck it. There we go. Okay. The moment of truth is here. Let's see what's inside. Oh, yeah. Wow, it's even cooler than I thought. Okay, it looks even cooler than in Captain Drone's videos in real life. I mean, this thing is fantastic with the glitter, the sort of shininess, and oh my god, it's awesome. And you guys know that I had, it's going to be hard to show on camera now, the shirt, the epic shirt. But look at this, guys. I mean, isn't that fantastic or what? So, humongous thank you to, obviously, Captain Drone and his wonderful family. And, let's see what else is in here, because there's more stuff. I can't believe this. Oh my gosh, I am so lucky. Got a total of 3 stickers, guys. That is unbelievable. This is so cool. This means I can put one on multiple vehicles and have Captain Drone. These are fantastic, guys. I cannot believe how lucky I am. Big thank you to Captain Drone. I mean, this is an inspiration. He is an inspiration, and thank you to his family too. This is so cool. Captain Drone, he's our hero. Gonna bring bad pilots down to 0 with his channel. And good advice, you'll be flying FPV, ain't that nice? Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in the next one. Take care. Captain Drone. Yeah.